This is Sort 33, Book 2. First, I'd like you to take a look at these words and see how you might sort them. If you were looking at this thinking, they all sound very similar, let's take a look. Cause, that ah sound. Saw, lawn, caught, pause, law, draw. So far, all of these words have that ah sound. Taught, haul, haunt, dawn. If you're looking at this, you're maybe thinking they all sound the same and or similar, and you are correct. They all sound very much the same. There is no way to sort these by sound. However, there is ways to sort these based on their spelling pattern, and also, of course, based on the meanings of the words. Let's go ahead and look at the meaning first. Cause, if you don't study for a test, for example, it might cause you not to do well on it. Saw, this is using your eyes. I saw something. Or to saw, as in to cut something. Here's the word lawn. Some people will have make their lawn get mowed. Caught, is the past tense of catch. I caught a ball. Paws are what animals walk on, their little hands basically, or feet, or their paws. Law, we live by the law. Draw, you guys of course draw in art class. Taught, I have taught you many different ways for spelling and you guys have learned them. Haul, synonym would be to carry. I will haul this in my car, which means carry. Haunt. Now this is a word that we don't usually see in this form. We usually see it in the form of haunting or haunted. The house is haunted, or I might be haunted by something that I have a pathological fear for, like mice or rats. But I could also, you could use it as haunting, that some music might be haunting and scary. Dawn, time in the day, early in the morning. Shawl, of course that's something you wear over your shoulders. Straw, straw that broke the camel's back. We know that idiom. We've talked about that. Claw, and a claw of course might be on the end of the talons basically of some kind of a bird of prey, or you might have a claw on the end of some kind of a tiger or something. Laugh. Now there is a word that doesn't quite fit that ah sound. La, ah, haunt, dawn, shawl, straw, claw, laugh. We can see that that one is probably the oddball. Sauce, we might make a sauce for dinner. Fault, to find fault or blame in somebody means I think you were at fault for something. Cloth, if we put ES on it, we would make clothes, but this is the word cloth, as in the material that you'll make clothes out of. Cross, I might become cross, which would be a synonym for angry, or I might cross the street. It could be an action. Hawk, a bird of prey. Singing a song, babies like to crawl. Vault, this would be like a bank vault. It could be something like in Harry Potter, Gringotts, or it could just be the regular vault of the bank. Frost, when it's very cold, there might be a frost. And then pause, which is what you do when your videos, when you're wanting to stop them temporarily or slow down. Alright, so let's look at the spelling patterns themselves. We have aw, A-U, and aw, A-W. We also have aw, that looks something like this. Alright, so let's look at, here's A-U, here's A-W. A-U, A-W. A-U, A-W. A-U. These are going to be kind of a challenge. Oops, I've got this in the wrong spot. Sorry. It's going to be kind of a challenge because you're going to have to kind of see if you can figure out if it's an A-W or if it's A-U. There's a lot of AW words, isn't there? There's a lot of AU words. Here's our auth. And clearly laugh doesn't have anything to do with the spelling pattern we're working on, but it does have AU. It just sounds completely different. Short A sound. Alright, let's see if we can get all these in there. Alright, let's see if the spelling pattern is correct. AU, cause, taught, haul, haunt, caught, sauce, vault. Vault and pause, yep. Saw, lawn, dawn, pause, law, draw, shawl, straw. Claw, crawl, and hawk. And then song, cloth, cross, and frost. And then, of course, our oddball is laugh. This is how we're going to sort these words. Take a look and see if there's any patterns that you can find that will help you know if it's an AU versus an AW. Now, one thing I'm noticing is the AU tends to be close to the front of the word. There's the consonant of some sort. AU. Yeah. That might help. The AW ones tend to be closer to the end of the word, I think. No, this one's in the middle exactly, so in the middle. Exactly in the middle. That was at the end, though. At the end, in the middle, and in the middle. It's a challenging sort in that you're going to have to memorize, well, that the ah sound is spelled with AU, AW, and sometimes O. And these are your spelling words. It's been a couple weeks and you're ready for the spelling test. And I'm going to go ahead and cover these up. And these are the ways that you will be sorting the ah sounds through AU, AW, O, and an oddball as well. Go ahead and make those your columns and pause, of course, whenever necessary. First word is cause. What is the cause of the problem? Cause. Lawn. Please mow the lawn. Lawn. Saw. I saw you at the movie theater yesterday. Saw. Caught. I caught a fish with my line. Caught. Pause. Oh, this is something interesting. Of course, there are two sets of paws. This is a homophone. Paws, as in the paws of an animal's feet. You might want to draw a little animal paw to indicate that. Paws. Let's do the other homophone that goes along with that, which is pause, as in to pause the video or to stop or slow it down temporarily. We often pause videos, and you might want to write the word video after that or something that would indicate that's the kind of pause we're talking about. Straw. We know the idiom, the straw that broke the camel's back, which means you've gone just many steps too far and there was an explosion on the other end. Possibly if you'd asked for a play date way too many times, there might be a yell, "Stop asking me that question!" The straw that broke the camel's back. Next word is fault. It was your fault that the glue spilled because you were playing with it. Fault. Law. We follow the law. Law. Claw. The animal used its claw to get its food. Claw. Sauce. My husband made a wonderful tomato sauce as a part of our dinner. Sauce. Taught. I have taught you many spelling patterns and you have learned them all very well. Taught. Draw. We love to draw in art class. Draw. Laugh. It is fun to laugh. Laugh. Haul. I will haul this recycling to the recycling center. Haul. Song. I will sing a song. Song. Haunt. The tale you told was very haunting. Haunt. You can put ing on the end if you want. You can also write the word haunted if you want. At Halloween we visited a haunted house. Haunted. Hawk. A hawk caught its prey. Hawk. Crawl. Most babies learn to crawl before they walk, but not all. Crawl. Dawn. I got up so early, it was before dawn. Dawn. Cross. I have to cross the street at Addison to get to school. Cross. Vault. A vault is a place where the money protects or where the bank protects your money. Vault. It's a place that's locked up, safe. Shawl. Sometimes if it's cold, I might wear a shawl. Shawl. Cloth. My clothes are made of cloth. Cloth. Frost. It is important to cover the plants before the frost. Frost. That was Sort 33, Book 2.